So you bought a theme for your WordPress website. In this video, I will show you how you can install it. I've purchased my theme from Theme Forest, but there are other places you can buy premium themes from, like Template Monster. And after you buy the theme, usually the platform will redirect you to the download page, but I will be using a theme that I already purchased. So I have to go under my account name and downloads. And here I have all the themes and plugins that I purchased from Theme Forest. Next, you want to click download. You can either download all the files and documentation or only the installable WordPress file. If you only want to install the theme, you can just download the installable WordPress file. So I will just do that. Also, what you need is your license certificate and purchase code, either PDF or text. You need to download one of those because this theme requires me to have a purchase code or a license. Not all themes will require that, but in my case, I do need a purchase code. After the download is complete, you need to go inside of your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance and Themes and add new and upload theme. Choose the file and install now. Click activate. So you see the theme is requiring me to install some plugins, and click begin installing plugins. Select all and install. Apply. The plugins are done installing and my WordPress theme should work properly. The next thing that I want to do is go inside of the plugins and click all except the one that I already had installed on my website and click activate. For some reason, they didn't auto activate and I had to do this manually. You see, now I have the theme options. From here, you can import templates of the theme that you bought and set up the theme, like the style, typography, the blog, template, footer, the 404 error. Depending on the theme that you purchased, you'll have more or less options. My theme is pretty light and was pretty cheap, so I don't have a lot of options. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.